how to change your email address in Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your email address in Yelp. If you are wondering how your email address can be changed, don't worry, just watch this video to the end for further directions. The first step is to log in into your Yelp account, just like I have done here. On this page, you can see the Yelp logo. By the top left corner, you can see a search box, and by the time you scroll down, you can see other functions as well. So once you can see this, the next thing to do is to move to the top left corner of the screen, where you can see your profile icon, notification, project, write a review. Ensure you click on your profile icon. Then in the box displayed, select account settings. Then on the account settings page, you can see your profile, where your name, your picture, nickname, headline, and so many other things are being displayed. So once you can see this, the next thing is to move to the left side of the screen and then click on email slash notifications. Okay, so after clicking on email slash notifications, for security, you'd have to sign in to be sure that you're the one. All right, so just follow through the processes. Okay, you are human. All right. So after filling in all of the details, you'll be brought to your accounts page where you'll see your email and your notifications. Now, the reason this is being displayed is because in my area currently, I am having a poor internet connection, so you won't see it vividly. But for you, you would see your email being displayed here. So in the email section, just enter in you'll see the option to change email. Okay, select it and then enter in your new email address. Confirm the change by entering in your current password. Click save changes, and then just like that, your email would be changed. Okay. And you must remember that updating your email address ensures that you receive important notifications and stay connected with Yelp. So this is how to go about this. Okay. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.